How to get Skyblock mode in Hytale. All you're gonna have to do is to open curseforge.com. Here search for Hytale mods, and once you are on this webpage, scroll down and we want to go to mod section, and here search for Skyblock and find the Skyblock which you want. I like this one. It has more than 2000 downloads and you can download it manually, or you can get it into CurseForge app. So I'm going to show you how you can do it manually. Open this Skyblock and on the right click on this arrow and download this file manually. Once you have it, you need to open your Hytale launcher and click on settings in left upper corner area and go to open directory. It will open you your files of Hytale and go to user data and mods and make sure to place here that downloaded file. Go to downloads and grab it and put it here, and that's all you need to do. Now you can close this and open your Hytale game. So I'm gonna click play. Once you are in your game, click on worlds and you have to right click world when you want to enable Skyblock, and make sure to enable mod section, and this is the Skyblock plugin. Enable it and click save world settings, and now you can simply open it. Now I'm in my world and I want to create an island, so press enter and type here island create. But there might be a situation that you don't have permission to this command, so before that you have to type here op self, because if I don't have op and I want to create island, I don't have permission to use this command. So I'm gonna op self and now create an island. This window will pop up. You can select your island if you want the normal or the hardcore. For normal, there is full starter kit with tools, seeds, food, so you can use it and wait until it's loaded. And now you are on that island, but it's better to create a new world because I have all my equipped armor and tools in my inventory from my actual world. And if you click on normal world, you can have here some tools, eternal, seeds, water, lava bucket to infinite cobblestone, bedroll, and you can play Skyblock. So this is quite another world. If you want to go back to your actual world, you can go spawn and you are back to your actual world. And if you want to go back again to your Skyblock, type here /island, here are commands, and you can go home. It will travel you to that Skyblock. So this was how you can get Skyblock in Hytale. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.